Welcome to our tour of cabin 9001, a forward-facing Oceanview cabin on Queen Anne. The cabin is on deck 9 at the very front of the ship. Our first impressions of this cabin is that it feels quite spacious and bright. We love the darker decor in the cabins on Queen Anne. Either side of the bed is a small bedside table with a lamp. There's a USB and a USB-C port each side. The left-hand side has a US plug socket, while the right-hand side also has a UK plug socket. At the vanity desk, you will find a stocked minibar which is chargeable, along with complimentary tea and coffee. A complimentary bottle of fizz is provided on boarding day. The storage is very good in this cabin. There is a wardrobe with long hanging space, where you will find your bathrobes and slippers on arrival. The other two wardrobes also have hanging space, as well as plenty of shelving for storage. You'll also find a large safe and your life jackets here. The bathroom is a nice size, although it's not large. It feels bright and modern and has been well maintained. Penhaligon's hand soap and body lotion is provided by the sink. You will also find Penhaligon's shower gel, shampoo and conditioner in the shower. The shower takes up a lot of the bathroom, but it is a great size. There isn't much storage in this bathroom, other than the shelf below the sink and the small shelves above. The view out of this cabin faces out to the front of the ship, so you have fantastic views coming in and out of port. Each cabin deck has a self-serve laundrette that's free to use. You just need to provide your own powder or tablets. There's also ironing facilities available. Family members stayed in this cabin and they loved it. It was their first time in a forward-facing cabin, and they thought the view out was great, and they were impressed with how bright the cabin was. They would definitely choose this type of cabin again. The cabin is spacious, and having the addition of a small sofa is a bonus. Having cabins above and the bridge below makes the cabin very quiet. We like the small touches that set Cunard apart from the other cruise lines, such as the bathrobes and slippers, and the complimentary champagne on arrival. They also still offer a nightly turn-down service. What are your thoughts on this cabin type? Is it one that you would choose? Let us know what you think in the comments below. If you enjoyed our video and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. It's completely free and it really does mean a lot to us. We'll have plenty more videos coming soon, including more from Queen Anne. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.